Welcome. In this video we'll be going over the scale tool. This tool is very simple and is similar to the functions of the grab tool. Here in the default Blender scene, you can select the cube and use the S key in order to scale your cube. So as you can see, when I press the S key, I can scale it up and down. Scaling your cube will either make it bigger or smaller. Scaling on all axes by default. Move your cursor in to scale the object smaller, and move your cursor out to scale the object bigger. Sometimes you'll only want to scale on one axis. Doing this will obviously make the object non-uniform and hence can create distortion depending on what models you have, but you will find that scaling on one or two axes can be extremely useful depending on the situation. Just like the grab tool, you can scale on the X-axis by pressing X, scale on the Y-axis by pressing Y, and scale on the Z-axis by pressing Z. And just like the grab tool, you can also scale on two axes. To scale on the X and Y axes, press S and then Shift Z. To scale on the X and Z axes, press S and Shift Y. And to scale on the Y and Z axes, press S and Shift X. As you can see, the scale command is very simple and can be very useful when modeling. Try messing around with the scale tool by using a few different objects until you get the hang of it. I'll see you in the next video.